Everybody should have the right to have kids or not, or what you think? You know, every year, man, the world changes, man. Every year the world be changing, man. It's so crazy, man. It's so crazy, but, you know, I advise everybody to adopt a pet, man. Make sure y'all adopt a pet, man. You know, adopting adopting a cat changed my life. You know, I raised my Tabby cat from just a small kid. You know what I'm saying? And it shows me, you know, just how smart animals and just how weird and crazy this thing that we call life is. I mean, like, you know, we in some real crazy thing right now. Life is crazy, man. Like this world and this beautiful maze that these very intelligent humans have set up for us. Like, man, this game is crazy.
Thank you, BasedGod.
You know, I always pay attention to what's natural. You feel me? Like this grass and, you know, these animals and shit, because that's that natural communication, you feel me? That's real love. Hey, man, I ain't gonna lie, me and my cat don't speak, but me and my motherfucker love each other though, and we know that. I love my cat like a motherfucking person, man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, that's real shit, man. Yeah, I'm emotional, man. Yeah, I'm emotional, man. This is bitch 560 niggas talking about I'm the man down south, I'm the man out west, I'm that nigga New York, just pay more. This